If you like our videos, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell button so that you can keep yourself updated.
Namaskar. I would like to welcome you all to my channel, The Art in Art by Pragya Kalakshetra. All of us know that art is the expression of emotions, application of human skills in visual form, and music is nothing but a form of art. As per Indian traditions, Sangeet comprises of three components: Gayan, Vadan, and Nritya. And all of these three components form a holistic discipline, which is considered as superior to all other subjects. Nritya is Sangeetapara. Music is considered as the highest form of knowledge in comparison to 8 Vidyas and 64 Kalas. Now, the question is, what is the basic difference between Vidyas and Kalas? Vidyas are nothing but the branch of knowledge that help us to connect our soul, our heart to the Supreme Personality. It leads to self-realization. Whereas Kalas are the disciplines starting from physics, chemistry, mathematics, economics, sociology, everything that enriches our life, makes our life easier. But it has no relationship with self-realization or connection with super soul or the highest personality. India is a soil of dance where creation is considered as the result of dance of Lord Shiva and Shakti, dance of Kalika, Tandava of Shiva, then Lashyam Parvati, Lord Krishna's Kalyadaman and Ras. We are actually blessed to have so many dance forms, so many folk traditions that make our life enriched every day, in every celebration, happiness, sorrow, festivals, from birth to death, everywhere we have music, dance that makes our life pure, divine. It is believed that once Creator Lord Brahma requested Bharat Muni to write a book, a guideline on how to live a standard life, how to live a life which is full of virtues, happiness, religious, yet full of happiness. Bharat Muni took some time and finally came up with a new verse of Veda that is known as Natya Veda. He took hands from Rig Veda, melody from Sham Veda, hand gestures from Yajur Veda, and emotions from Atharva Veda. And that's why dance, acting, music, that's so much religious to us. Now, the question arises, what is Rabindra? Yes, this is quite a new form of art in comparison to others. Actually, Natyaveda talks of four pravrittis. That is Dakshinya, then Audra Magadi, Avanti and Pancha. So, taking all the pravrittis together, expressing emotions, the words, creations of Rabindranath Tagore in a melodious form is nothing but Rabindranath. It includes bhav, ras, abhinay, mudras, tal, lay, everything like other classical forms. But yet it is different in some aspects. Tagore took steps of Kathak, but he rejected gurus. Similarly, he took mudras, but rejected the geometrical pattern of Bharatanatyam. He took Lashya of Manipuri, but removed that dressing. So he believed in independence of art. He wanted to absorb each and every dance form in such a way that the emotions get fully displayed in front of that viewers, and that makes Rabindra Nritya very much interesting. So here in this channel, you will get some tutorials how to learn the basic things, basic steps of Rabindra Nritya. For that purpose, we will include different lessons like physical exercises, steps of Kathak, Manipuri, Bharatanatyam, Odissi. So in this channel, you will get tutorials on basic steps of Rabindra Nritya, physical exercises, then basic steps of Kathak, Manipuri, Odissi, and yes, some choreographed dance programs, many such things. So hope you will subscribe to my channel. Please, if you like my channel, subscribe it, like it, and share it. And don't forget to press the bell button. So that with every upload, you can get the notifications and keep yourself updated. So let's dance together. Happy dance.